All right, guys, so welcome back. Today we're doing something again amazing, incredible, what every one of you need to do. Okay, we're doing more you give, more you receive. This time we're going in Africa, in Ethiopia. This is my first video in Africa. Again, it's not me. I'm doing the video. It's the people who trying to help me. We have one guy in the Philippines, one guy in Africa, and one in India. Okay, India is also coming next week. We're doing something incredible. Again, first thing first, please remember, smash the like, subscribe, share this video, and leave me any comment. It's mean a lot for me. It's mean a lot for everybody there, special for these kids. Okay, so thank you so much for the last time we did a video with Crypto Scott. Please, Scott the Investor, go and watch that video. For all the money what they've been donate right here on this video, we can now do good 4 or 5 donation in the next couple of weeks. Again, thank you for every and one of you who did the donation. So what I'm doing, I'm taking my money from crypto and I'm giving for donation, or for everybody who is donate. Feel free. The link is in the description, the address, send some stables if you want. Great. If not, that's up to you. Again, don't forget, if you make some money in crypto, go and share with somebody who needs some money. Go and watch. Let's watch the video now. Okay, let's go and watch the video. So the video is only 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So stay tuned. Let's watch. Now listen. Let's see where they live. Look, this is in Africa, in Ethiopia. Sadly, the guy cannot take all the video from around where she lived because the neighbor didn't allow. However, this is the food what we got. This lady is a blind, almost all, I think, fully blind. I think she can see a little bit with the right eye. She has 3 kids, single mom. Did you see the walls? Do you know how they are made? I will check this out.
ቤተሰብ ጋር ደርሰናል። የቤተሰቡ አባልን እንጠይቃለን። መጀመሪያ ሙሉ ስምሽ ማን ይባላል?
So the guy write down his questions in a piece of paper because it is his first video, so he need to get practice, what to ask and all the questions. Again, he tried to translate as much he can. However, I was want to mention, can you see this wall right here? Okay, can you see the wall? So this is, do you know what is made from? Okay, this is made from hay. Let me show you. So it's made from hay. Okay, this is hay. Do you know what's this? This is a dry grass where you feeding the animals in the winter. Okay, so if you, I know this one because back home we built a house like this after the First World War. Okay, no bricks, nothing. It was hard, and this is still in the old village. You can still see houses built like that. It's crazy. So you take this one, okay, all dry grass, you combine with the dirt, okay, you picking up the dirt, okay, from the ground, you make up with water, and that's how you build up the house. Again, easy to break, easy to fall. It's sustainable. However, that's the very sad picture where they live.
እድሜሽ ምን ያህል ነው? ምን ያህል ልጆች አሉሽ? ስራ አለሽ ወይስ? እንዴት ነው ኑሮውን እየኖርሽ እነዚህ 3 ልጆችን እያስተዳደሩ?
All right, so let's finish the video.
ልጆችሽ ይማራሉ? ሁሉም የመንግስት ትምህርት ውስጥ ነው ያገኘሽው? እናመሰግናለን። ቴንክ ዩ ፊዮላ።
All right, guys. So that's about it for the video. And just a quote for today. By the way, thank you for everybody who donate. Thank you for every one of you. Thank you for the everybody who. By the way, Scott, thank you for the great video what we have. Please go and watch the video. It's mean a lot. It's just a great topics out there. Again, thank you for the person who did the video. And the quote of today is from one of the members. We have a great member who giving us a quote every single day in our Telegram. It's so listen. Be thankful for what you have. You have no idea how many people would love to have what you got. All right. Thank you. God bless. Stay safe. Till the next one.